Who doesn't want flawless skin? Is it possible every day? Hey, no worries, cause I have got some tips for you.
What did I know? That you a fool's gold. Yes, I did.
Hey, this is Subhashmita and you are watching the Chat Juice. So our Instagram accounts are mentioned in the description box. Don't forget to follow us. So guys, how you all? In this video we are going to talk about how I cured my acne and spots and also pore minimization. So guys, I'm going to keep this video short and simple, and the tips are also natural. As I'm an example, you might relate, and I would like to show you my skin transformation. I'm not going to suggest you a hell lot of products. I'm going to suggest you some products. First of all guys, having acne is completely alright. Even I suffered from acne for long, like 3 to 4 years. I don't want to create a taboo that having acne, spots, scars or pores in your face is some kind of ugly or makes you look ugly or different from the beauty standards. It is quite natural. Like everybody experiences flaws in their lifetime, so it is completely alright. But guys, who doesn't want glowing healthy skin? Of course, we all want. So if we can cure this acne, scars or spots using some tips, then why not? And we have also got so much time now, like we are in quarantine and we have plenty of time to do that. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So guys, what causes acne? First of all, we need to know that so that we can avoid future acne. There are many reasons. First is pollution, sun, stress, food, your hygiene, everything depends. It differs from person to person. So first is pollution. So going out without wearing anything or without any protection can inflame our skin, like any dust particles that can easily go into our skin and it may cause acne. So I would recommend you to use anti-pollution creams. There are many anti-pollution creams in the market. One is from Mamaearth's anti-pollution cream that is really nice. So I would recommend you that. I'll give the link. Use it before going out. And then sunscreen. Okay, now coming to sunscreen, it is very essential for our skin whether we are going out or not. It is recommended to use inside our home also. If you are very sensitive, your skin is very sensitive. So yes, the sunscreen is so essential guys. Never ever skip that. So I use sunscreen from Organic Harvest. Guys, it is for all skin types. It will well protect your skin indoor and outdoor. It has SPF 60. You should at least use your sunscreen which has SPF of 30. It is matte finish and water resistant. I'll show you guys the formula. If possible, you should also go for gel sunscreen from Wow, that is anti-pollutant. The second step is after coming to home, you should cleanse your face properly, all the makeup and everything. So you need a cleanser, makeup remover. I use from Garnier. So guys, this bottle is empty. I completed it. It's time for the another one. And you can also go for rose water to just clean your face properly. Remember that you shouldn't leave any makeup residue or any cosmetics on your skin. It should be properly cleaned and hydrated. Next step is again cleansing, double cleansing. In this situation, you should clean your face really well. So for that, I will use a mild face wash, that is Clean and Clear Foaming Face Wash from Johnson's. So guys, this is very soft and mild on your face and won't make your skin rough and tough. So guys, this is non-comedogenic. That is the best part. Non-comedogenic means we have pores. It won't clog our pores and create such black and white hairs. That is the very first thing you should notice before buying any moisturizer or face wash. So guys, it is basically for oily skin, and also I have option for dry skin. This is from Nature's Neem face wash. It is also a mild face wash which cleans your face and also gives a dewy look, like it brings a glow in your face instantly. Guys, the next step is water. Please hydrate yourself as much as possible. At least drink 3 liters of water per day because it is very essential for your body. First of all, if you are suffering from acne or not, it is really important. Like you want to lose weight, maintain good health, you need water. Secondly, it gives a nice glow to your skin and helps in clearing out your acne, pimples. So guys, in the end I will share the products that really help me to cure my acne and spots. So stay till the end to know the products that help me a lot. Guys, coming towards the food, mostly we eat the junk foods and deep fried foods, oily food that really causes, that helps in the growth of acne and spreading it throughout our face. So we should really avoid that. At least to cure, we should really give up for that. We can have that for Sunday to Sunday. So secondly, the dairy product, that is milk, cheese, butter, curd, that may also contribute for your acne, so please try to avoid those. So actually test for your skin that is dairy is really causing pimples on your skin. So leave that for some days and see what's the result. So guys, try to eat fruits, veggies a lot so that you don't take much stress. It may also lead to acne. So the last one is hygiene. Yes guys, you have to really take good care of your hygiene to get away from the acne and spots. Try to clean yourself properly. So guys, if you are wondering where I got this necklace from, this is from Vero Moda and this top is from Flipkart. I have also made a video regarding this. The link is in the description. And the lipstick I am wearing is a mixture of two, that is New Nuance from Maybelline, and second is I have used the lip liner of Swiss Beauty, red lip liner. So guys, now let's talk about pores. So what are pores? Like pores are the small opening in our skin. Everybody has pores in their skin, whether it is very tiny or large. So the problem starts when it becomes larger. So how it becomes larger? When our skin opens due to oil, sweat, pollution, it becomes larger. Or if you have not cleaned your face since long or exfoliated your skin since long, it becomes larger and it appears as large pores. You get confused between acne scars and pores, so this is
pores and this is scars.
So guys, the pores can be minimized but it cannot be completely erased from your face. If you want to get rid of your pores permanently, then you can also go for laser treatment, but I will not recommend you that because for that you will have to take medicines continuously, which may lead to side effects in the future. So we have to avoid oil, sweat, pollution in our face. I have already talked about oil, how we can control oil in our face. We will use that face wash, and scrubbing is really important. If you have pores, then do scrubbing for once or twice in a week. I will suggest M. Caffeine's face scrub. The link is in the description. So once you have scrubbed your skin, all your dirt will be removed. So coming towards shrinking your pores. If you want to shrink your pores, then try to wash your face with cold water while you wake up. It will give you a nice glow with that also. And if you can, then use ice cube to rub your face gently, but don't really apply directly. Go for a cotton cloth or something to apply on your face. Do this for every day. Coming to face packs, Multani Mitti will really help to shrink your pores and make it tighter. So I recommend you to go for Multani Mitti. It has helped me a lot. So guys, I also use a different mask for it. It depends upon my mood what I need. So I have given the link in the description. Check out. And guys, do believe me and follow these 3 steps and you will see your skin is really tightened, more tightened in just 2 weeks. Guys, now the most essential part of the video, how I cleared my spots and acne. So first of all, we should detox our body. So for that I use this from Herbalife. Guys, you can also go for green tea. The next product that helped me a lot is Magic if you are dealing with spots or open pores. And use this serum once or twice a day. If you use twice, I mean in the daytime, don't forget to use sunscreen because it may inflame your skin. But trust me guys, it has helped me to clear whole of my skin in just 1 month. I had a lot of dark spot all over my face, but within 1 week of using, I spotted that 90% of my spots got reduced. Best thing is it also helps in minimizing the pores. I also use this retinol serum from the same Dermaco. Guys, it is optional. I use it for getting radiant and glowing and young skin. It is not sponsored and it is my honest opinion. I personally use it regularly at night, the serum. And the most powerful thing, you can also call it a weapon. Yes, it is a clear gel. Guys, this is the most powerful thing in this whole video. Like, if when you get a pimple, just take a small amount of it in your finger and apply wherever you get a pimple or acne. Trust me, it will reduce it in just 1 or 2 days. Like, the pimple will get disappeared. Guys, don't use a single finger to apply in your whole face wherever you have acne or pimple, because यहाँ पे इन्फेक्शन मतलब होता है, सेंसिटिव एरिया होता है. अगर आप यहाँ से इधर टच करते हो तो फिर वो यहाँ का इन्फेक्शन यहाँ पे फैल जाता है. सो ट्राई टू यूज़ योर डिफरेंट फिंगर्स फॉर डिफरेंट प्लेसेस इन योर फेस. आई यूज़ दिस मॉइस्चराइजर. इट्स ऑयल फ्री. इट हैज़ ऑल्सो sun protection SPF 15. It is also non-comedogenic and it is very lightweight and good for your summer, and under makeup you can use it as a base moisturizer. It is so lightweighted and soothing. When you are doing your skincare, try to layer off your products from light to heaviest one, so that you get the benefit of each product. There will be first serum, then moisturizer, then this. Do not skip it and try to do it every day. You will really see your skin changing a lot. That's it for today. We had a lot of talking and I hope you liked it and it will help you. So if you have any other doubts or queries, you may ask me in the comment section. I will reply you all. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.